With our roots from UCLA, Face Scientific is a fast-growing biotechnology company that have developed a groundbreaking sample preparation technologies that we believe that can disrupt the field of diagnostic and patient management. Our current presence is in the United States, Hong Kong, and mainland China. Our core technologies can be applied to all diagnostic processes, making any diagnostic tools more accessible, affordable, faster, easier, and more accurate. As of today, we have developed a full product portfolio for COVID-19 testing, and this range from sample collections, viral RNA extractions, as well as the PCR reagents for COVID-19. We also have a series of point-of-care testing for COVID-19 antigen and antibody. We are also having a COVID-19 testing service in Hong Kong. We have comprehensive business strength in R&D and product development, manufacturing, and commercialization. We have a fully professional R&D teams in Hong Kong and in the US. Our products are commercialized to all markets with multiple channels, including regional distribution channels, direct sales to key customers, as well as internet sales. In vitro diagnostic medical device is a highly regulated industry internationally. In order to penetrate into each market, we would need to register and go through independent regulatory system in each country. As such, we would have to allocate massive resources to register our product independently into each country before we can commercialize into those countries.
We are a research and development company very focused on developing world-class core technology to improve downstream diagnostics. With this core technology, we want to have the world to use our technology and to use its applications. We do not have expertise to execute every facet of the business. So we would love to have professional parties like incubators to help us to develop the market and also to help us with the fundraising. The big part of the incubation service that we are looking for is really from a sense of financing and also from a marketing and sales point of view. Right now we are at the stage of commercializing our products, our core technology with different applications. So we are looking for collaborators or parties to help us to develop sales strategies. A lot of our products need local authority approval that we need to obtain license to make sales happen. So we look for an incubator that can help us to navigate the global sales, different local markets, talk to different local authorities to really help us to drive through the process. We want an incubator that can really help us to not only to raise money, but also to help us to use the money we raise more effectively. SmartUp help us to raise $5 million and then they are helping us to raise the next round of financing that we're looking for as well. So on top of financing, we were talking a lot about commercializing our products. And immediately when we have the product ready, then SmartUp has already jumped into helping us to get authorization from local Department of Health equivalents to help us to get a license so that we can start selling. And as a matter of fact, before we get to that approval point, SmartUp has already suggested sales strategy for us in local countries such as Brazil, Chile, UAE, African countries, Tanzania, India, Spain, different countries around the world, just a few examples. So to that, I think, I have a lot of credits to the SmartUp team. Yeah, actually SmartUp have exceeded our expectation. As I said before, with the sales effort, with the local registration method they have put in, I think it really helped us to drive a lot of process while we can focus on what we can do best, which is research and development. They really select a good bunch of investors to us who really understand our technology, who really appreciate our technologies, so that it creates a good match between potential investor with us trying to raise some fund. I think what really sets SmartUp apart is the ability to listen, listening to what the company needs. And on top of that, they have a very practical and strong team to execute what they propose. So the next goal of the company after the COVID-19 products that we have developed is to apply this core technology to the liquid biopsy cancer diagnostic area. and with the $5 million that Startup Hub has raised, and we are in the making of another round of financing of $30 million, then the next step would be to go IPO and hopefully become another unicorn in the making.